اليازيا موجودة؟ اليازيا طبعا كل غياب خصم علامتين، كل يوم غياب خصم علامتين. روضة ناصر؟
نعم.
شمسة فيصل؟
نعم مستر.
شيخة؟
نعم.
عليا؟
يس مستر.
لطيفة؟
نعم مستر.
مريم؟ مريم؟ موزة؟
نعم مستر.
نغم؟
يس مستر.
نورة؟ هاجر؟
نعم مستر.
روضة النعيمي؟ روضة النعيمي؟ غايبة روضة أبسنت؟ روضة النعيمي؟ طيب.
Yes, Mr. Chair, absent. Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair, absent.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. We are in model 6 equations and inequalities. Today we have the lesson 4 one-step multiplication equation. One-step multiplication equation. In this lesson we want to learn how to use division property of equality to write and solve one-step multiplication equations. I want to from all now to prepare your notebook. We have some exercises. Now draw a bar diagram to model each situation. The sum of 15 and x is 25. What's the meaning of the sum? Means we have 15 plus x equal 25. Now, what is the name of this form? What is the name of this form? 15 plus x equal 25.
Equation?
Equation. Now I want to from all to solve this equation to find the solution. Start please.
Mr. Does x equal 10?
What's your name?
I'm Nagam.
Great, Nagam. So try to remove 15. So minus 15 here and minus 15 here. 15 minus 15 will be 0, remains here x equal 25 minus 15 will be 10. Okay, 2 plus 7, sorry, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 equal x. So, what is the value of x here? 3 plus 7 will be what?
Mr. 10?
Will be 10. Great. Right. Use algebra tiles to model each equation. طيب هلا here we have x plus 8 equal 12.
Yes.
Okay. Solve the value of x. what is the solution here?
Mr. Does x equal 4?
Great. So we can remove here.
Mr. I'm Alia. My answer is x equal 4.
Great. So 8 and minus 8, 0. Now x equal 12 minus 8 will be 4. Now we have here 2 plus x equal 7. What is the value of x?
Mr. Is it 5?
Great, 5. So remove here 2 from the two sides, minus 2 here and minus 2 here.
Mr. I'm Alia. My answer is 5.
Great. So minus 2 and plus 2 will be 0. So x equal 7. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Fine. Who can read exercise number 5, please?
Mr. May I read it?
Shamsa?
A pizza shop charges $10.35 for each additional topping on a pizza. The equation is 1.35x equals 8.10 can be used to find the x number of additional toppings. The Henry pizza or a guess strategy to determine the number of additional toppings in the order.
Thank you. So now we have this equation and we want to solve this equation. We have 1.35 equal 8.10. Yeah, you have 2 minutes, please. Try to solve it. Yes, who has answer?
Mister, so we basically, we have to do 8.10 divided by 1.35, right?
The coefficient here 1.35. So divide the two sides by the coefficient here. Divide by 1.35. So here we have x, and here for we have here 8.10 divide by 1.35. The answer will be 6. So the answer here will be 6. Check with me, please. Here we use the model as a model of, or we can use the distributive property, the same idea. 12 and here x and equal 25. And here 3 and 7 and equal x. And here we can use the model, this is x. And here we have 8 equal what? Equal 12. And here as a model, this is x. And here we have 2 equal what? Equal 7. And here the answer 6. Who can read this exercise, please? Alia, can you read it, please? Alia, are you here?
Yes, Mr.
Read the question here, please.
Demetri volunteers at his local library. Volunteers spend 3/4 hours for each shift. Last weekend, Demetri spent 4 and 1/2 hours volunteering at the library. Select the multiplication equation that can be used to determine how many shifts Mari volunteered.
Thank you, great. طيب, I want from all to read it again. Then here we have 4 equations. Choose the right equation and tell me your answer. Is it A or B or C or D? Start, please.
Mr. Is the answer A?
Why? Can you explain?
Because here 3/4 multiplied by S equals 4/1/2. 4 and 1/2.
And what here we would variable? S.
Yes, S.
Yes, why? Why we would variable here? So
Because
yes.
Instead of writing the multiplication sign, we have to put it next to the fraction or the number.
Yeah, here in the test here, what is the unknown value?
S, the shifts.
S represent what here in this test?
It represents the shift that Demetri volunteered.
Great, okay. Excellent, Nagam. I will add to you 2 marks. Right. Now I want to from all, or not now, yeah, after 5 minutes. Now we have this question. Solve 2x equal 10. Then check your solution. What is the name of this form? 2x equal 10. What is the name of this form?
Equation.
Equation. Great. Now I want to solve this equation. What's the meaning of solve the equation? What's the meaning of solve the equation? Find what? Find the solution. Find solution. The solution is the value of x. Find the value of x. Right. As you see, we have to multiply by x. The number who multiply by the variable, what is the name of this number? What is the name of the number who multiply by the variable? Coefficient. The name of this number will be what? Will be coefficient. So how to solve this equation? Try to remove the coefficient. How to remove the coefficient? What is the operation between the coefficient and the variable? Multiplication. So use the opposite operation. To remove it, use the opposite operation. Use divide. So divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 1x means we have x equal 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So the answer will be, the solution here will be what? Will be 5. How to check if this solution true or not? Go back to the same equation. We have 2x equal 10. Substitution. Put the value of x. Is it 2 times the value of x will be 5? Is it 2 times 5? Is it equal 10? Two times 5, 10. Yes, equal 10. So this is right equation. So this is right solution. Who has any question here?
No one thinks.
Now we have this problem. Solve 2 over 3m equal 5 over 8. I want from all to write this equation in your notebook and please try to find the solution. What is the value of m? Start please, you have 3 minutes.
Mister, is the answer 0?
The answer 0. طيب. Thank you, Sheikha. Who has different answer?
Miss, Mister,
Yes.
I agree with Sheikh. I think it's 0.
What's your name?
Nura.
Okay, thank you, Nora. Who has different answer? Right. Listen to me, please. What is the variable here? The variable m, and we want to solve the value of m. 2 over 3, the coefficient. What is the operation between 2 over 3 and m? Multiplication. So, to solve the value of m, must remove 2 over 3. How to remove 2 over 3? Divide by the same coefficient. Divide by 2 over 3. Divide by 2 over 3, the two sides. 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3 will be what? Will be 1. 1m means m. Now here we have 5 over 8 divided by 2 over 3. When we want to divide fraction by fraction, we have rule. The rule said keep the dividend. So write here 5 over 8. Then change the division to the multiplication. Then find the reciprocal of the divisor. Here we have 2 over 3 will be 3 over 2. Now, how to multiply fraction by fraction? Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 5 times 3 will be 15. And 8 times 2 will be 16. So the solution m equal what? 15 over 16. The answer will be 15 over 16. Who has any question here?
Mister, لا خلاص ولا شيء.
Now we have this problem. Solve 85.527 equal 11.7 G. We have this equation. We're going to solve this equation. What is the meaning of solve this equation? Find the value of G. What is the solution? You have 3 minutes. Start please and tell me your answer.
Mister, is the answer is 7.31?
Okay, thank you, Alia. Who has different answer?
Mr. Is the answer 7.32?
Thank you, Sheikha. Who has different answer?
Mr. Is the answer 7.31?
Mr. Is the answer 7.31?
Madam?
7.31.
طيب, check with me, please. To solve this problem, to solve this equation, must to remove the coefficient to keep the variable alone. How to remove this coefficient? What is the operation between the coefficient and this variable? Multiplication. So divide the two sides by the coefficient. Divide by 11.7. So remains here 11.7 divided by 11.7 will be 1. Remains here G equal. Now divide the two numbers here. We can use calculator. 85.527 divide by 11.7 equal 7.31 equal 7.31. Who has any question here?
No one, thank you.
No, thank you.
Is it clear for all?
Yes, Mr. But can we do one more example, please?
I have this equation 5y equal to 125. I want from one to write this equation in your note paper, and you have 2 minutes to tell me what is your solution. Start, please.
Mister, is the answer is y equal 45?
Excellent, Alia, excellent. So I can remove 5 to keep y alone to know the value of the y. What is the operation between 5 and y will be multiplication. So to remove 5, divide by the coefficient, divide by the same number. Divide here by 5 and divide here by 5. So 5y divided by 5 will be y equal 225 divided by 5 will be 45, Okay, now I have 1 over 2 n equal 8. I want from all to try to find the solution in this equation.
Mr. Does n equal 16?
16. Great, Nagam, great work. طيب, listen to me please. The first step, determine the coefficient. The coefficient here will be 1 over 2. The second step, divide the two sides by the coefficient. Divide here by 1 over 2 and divide here by 1 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 will be 1n. 1n means n equal 8 times. Here we want to divide the number by the fraction. Here we have rule here. Keep, then change, then find the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1 over 2 will be 2. So n equal 8 times 2 will be what? Will be 16. Now who has any question?
ما فهمت كيف يسوون.
لطيفة. وقت بيكون في عندي عملية ضرب بين العدد والفاريبل، فلحتى حل الايكويجن بنلجأ لعملية الديفايد للقسمة، معاكس الضرب. أنا بحدد أول شيء مين الكوفيشنت. الكوفيشنت هو العدد المضروب بالفاريبل. الكوفيشنت هو 1 over 2. فأنا بروح بعمل قسم الطرفين على 1 over 2. قسم هذا الطرف على 1 over 2 وقسم هذا الطرف على 1 over 2. هلا احنا أي عدد بنقسمه على نفسه بيعطيني واحد. يعطيني 1. 1 over 2 divide by 1 over 2 شو راح يعطيني 1. 1n شو يعني؟ يعني n. من الطرف المقابل في عندي عملية ديفايد أنا بين عدد وفراكشن. كيف أعملها؟ هي في عندي رول. الرول شو بتقول؟ keep the dividend اللي فوق بنخليه مثل ما هو، ما بنغيره 8. بعدين change غير من divide لمultiplication. العدد اللي تحت شو أعمل له؟ أعمل له reciprocal، قلبه يعني خذ مقلوبه. هو 1 over 2 شو بصير؟ 2 over 1. 2 over 1 يعني 2. هذا شو صارت العملية؟ 8 times 2. 8 times 2 شو بيعطيني العدد؟ يعطيني 16. معناتها n equal 16. تمام لطيفة؟
تمام شكرا.
طيب. Who has any question? No questions? Right, great. Great for all.
No.
This is our period today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day and good luck in your test. Thank you for your listening. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.